good day. Today we're looking at this. It's a multifunctional electric cooker. And when I say multifunctional, I mean it. It's actually a 2-cup rice cooker if you like. You can also fry bits and pieces in it, and it's made by Feekaa. So we've had a look at the box. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, we have a bit of foam. We have a lid, it looks like, showing you the different types of settings. So M1 is rice, M2 brown rice, M3 is stew, M4 Roman, M5 porridge, and M6 hot pot. So it's quite an interesting design, this one. We've got a little measuring cup. Put that aside. Oh, I'll get that out. There's a few other bits and pieces, so we'll get all of those out. And we have, looks like a little list of what to expect inside the box, it looks like. We have a little measuring spoon, user manual, which we'll get to shortly. And well, that's nice. We've got a little measuring device inside here, which is very handy. A lot of places forget about that. And as you'll notice, there's no internal pot because this is it. And we've got all our settings on the side, so it's quite interesting. A little plug on the side here. A little standard 3, like a electric razor type plug, or the old-fashioned kettle plugs, I should say. So yeah, we'll have a go at cooking something in it and see what we come up with. And let's have a bit of a look at this manual. And as always, you can pause it at any time you like and have a bit of a read if there's anything of interest. There's certainly quite a few pages in here. Still going, it looks like. How many more? Okay, troubleshooting and warranty. Must be getting close. And there we go. That's the last of the English, and then from there we go into, it looks like Chinese, so we'll keep it at that. Comprehensive little manual. I'll have a good read of it and put it to practice and see what this little rice cooker can do. On the lid you've got a series of settings. So you've got M1 through to M6. So M1 is rice, M2 is brown rice, M3 is stew, M6 is hot pot, M5 is porridge, M4 is ramen. Down on the handle itself you've got the same corresponding numbers. On the handle you've got the corresponding menu settings. So M1 is M1 for rice up here. To activate it, you press the mode button. It's 35 minutes. Mode 2 is 65. Mode 3 is 90 minutes. Mode 4 is 24 minutes. Mode 5 is 60 minutes. And mode 6 is 24 minutes. You can also have a preheat, which is down here. And the other side is 1 to keep warm. Cooking rice has never been simpler. You just grab a container full of rice, pour it in. You've got levels down here. I've got 1 cup, so we fill the level to the 1 cup mark. And I've been using white rice, so all we do now is turn on the power and we select number 1. And the countdown timer is working perfectly. At the moment we've got 11 minutes to go till the rice is cooked. It's been sitting here for a good 10-15 minutes and it's still absolutely perfect. So I'll get out some onto the plate. I'm thoroughly impressed with this little rice cooker. It cooks rice perfectly each and every time I've used it. The thing I like about it is the fact you can actually cook your rice ahead of the intended meal time, and it goes to keep warm, and it'll sit there for quite a while. So it makes an expert out of us little guys that don't know how to cook, which is brilliant. Clean up is an absolute breeze. You just simply pull out the plug, take off the lid, and you wash out the actual pot itself. Can't get any easier than that, can you? And there we go. That's all there is to it.